guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make a quiz on Google Form. So let's start with a blank form, and I'm just going to name this quiz. And for instance, you write a question like 1 plus 1, and then 3, and then you add more options to it. I'm just going to do basic questions just for an example. What color is the sky? Pink, blue, yellow, red. That would be really scary if the sky was red, but let's just add another random question. Who is artist of the decade? It's obviously Taylor Swift, you know, in my opinion, but like, and then okay, I'm just going to have like 3 questions. Then you are going to go to settings and press make this a quiz, and I'm just going to make the default question point value 1 point, and you can go back to question, click on it, and click on answer key and click on the correct answers, and you're going to do that for each and one, like for like every question. Sometimes it doesn't show up, so like you might have to yeah, sort of refresh it and then add in the answer key. And then once you're done, you're just going to press done, and you're going to share this link to your students or whatever. And for instance, I'm going to take the quiz, so I'm just going to press send and copy the link and just paste it, and then take the quiz myself. So 1 plus 1, 2, blue, and let's say I got this wrong, and press submit. I can view the score, and I can also see the correct answer. But if you don't want people to see the correct answer, you can go to settings and turn this off. But that's basically it. You can just play around with the settings. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!